Hi kids! Welcome to another fun learning adventure with Teacher Ivy. Get your thinking caps on and let's learn something amazing today.
Today we're going to read the Add a Family word. Add bad. Add dad. Add mad. Add bad. Add sad. Add lad.
Repeat after me, kids.
Bad. Dad. Mad. Add. Sad. Lad.
Let's read together. Are you ready? Let's go.
Bad. Dad. Mad. Bad. Sad. Lad.
Your turn to read, kids. Let's have a short quiz, kids. Don't forget to count your correct answers. Let's begin.
Let's play What is this word? I'm gonna show you a picture and you are gonna identify what is this add word family. The first one, lad, very good. Number two, what is this one? Sad, correct. Next one, we have pad, fantastic. Next one, what is this? Mad, correct. The next one, dad, very good. And the last one we have bad, fantastic.
Well done, kids. You're really good at this. See you on my next class. Goodbye.